Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we are reviewing a scale. This is a special kind of scale. This is the Uramaz scale. Now what's great about this particular scale is that you see how this goes like this. So you can see, now watch this. So you turn the scale on right here. Right there, it's on. Okay, and then you turn it on and it's connecting. Okay, now see, 0. Now what's great about this is that other scales where the numbers are attached, you really can't see what you're doing. So here, okay, there we go, 0. Okay, so today I'm going to be putting up some beef and I'm going to put some marinade in it. So I'm going to put this on here first. Okay, see, now that brings it up to 2 ounces. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear it so it goes to 0 like that, right? Now I'm going to start putting my meat in. Boop. And it's another piece. This is actually flat meat, and I'm going to be using this for put some Asian spices in it and make it like our Asian ribs, which were so good. And the recipe for that is on the website, so you can easily get that. Let's see, we're up to 14 ounces. We need 2 more ounces to get to a pound. And it's going to go a little over a pound, and that's okay too. Let's see. There we go, 1.13. Okay, so that's about 17 ounces. And now we can just I'm going to take the Asian barbecue spice that I've already made. And you can find the recipe for that on the website as well. And I'm going to add that to that. Close it up. And take it off. And I'm going to seal that up. Now, you take that off, and we're going to turn this off now. See, because it's thinking, see, that's a negative because I removed that, so it's -2. So if we tear it again, it'll go back to 0. We can weigh else, well, what else we want to weigh. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you get one of these Uramaz scales. They're really, really wonderful. You can, anything that you want to weigh, you can. So this is great for baking. It's great for making sure that you're portioning out your food. And it has different, and it also has different weighs, units. So you can go, this is pounds and ounces, and that is milliliters, fluid ounces, milliliters, kilograms, and grams, which is great for baking, of course, and pounds and ounces. Okay, and I hope to see you next time on The Good Plate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share.